Welcome to Ride Photo Studios, where we entertain, educate, and inspire you with stories of food, travel, and culture. We are on another adventure with yours truly, Bill and Jerry.
We woke up in the morning, the sun was out and the sky was blue, and we decided it'd be a good day to go for a motorcycle ride. But then again, most days in Southwest Florida are good days for a motorcycle ride. So we had some breakfast, picked a destination about an hour away, and the goal was to ride east.
We made a quick stop for gas. The gas was almost empty, and you always want to make sure you have enough gas. A big no-no is to ride on empty. We all know that, right?
Right. Now, this bike, we haven't had it for very long, but one thing that I found that I like on this bike is that when you do get low fuel, a message comes up on the screen and it says low fuel detected, and it asks if you want to find a gas station. Unlike the Sportster, the other bike we have, which just starts sputtering and you have to quickly reach down and switch it to reserve, otherwise it's gonna shut off.
Which one are we putting? Check out the gas prices here. $4.36 a gallon. These are summer prices. How's the ride so far?
Good. Short, but good.
Bad but good. For this bike, you always have to put the 93 high octane, which is a premium gas. Only the best for our beekeepers. Alright, that's all? Alright, time to wave. Time to wave. I can't even put myself in the shot. So what else would I be doing, right? Yeah. Alright, time to go. This is my seat, really comfy seat. Woo! Nice. Alright, ready to go?
Yeah.
Need a passenger.
I do. Do you know anyone who might want to go?
I'm the passenger. Me. Ready?
What did you kick?
I hit myself.
What did you kick?
Huh? This gas station is at Collier and Rattlesnake Hammock Road. Get your drinks and your snacks if you don't already have them. Also, take a bathroom break if necessary. You might thank me later. So off we go. We turn into Collier Boulevard going south. Now Southwest Florida is perfect for riding because the weather is great, scenery is spectacular, All is green, vegetation is lush. I mean, who does not love a palm tree? And the fact that you are on a motorcycle makes it even better, more awesome. That's what you call wind therapy.
So we turned at US 41, also known as Tamiami Trail, to go east. If you keep going south, you end up in Marco Island, another one of our favorite destinations. We'll have videos of Marco Island coming soon.
This place is gorgeous. I mean, check out the landscaping. Palm trees everywhere. I just love it. Wind therapy. What do they say?
Well, I've heard some people say that you got to get your knees in the breeze.
Knees in the breeze?
Mm-hmm.
Knees in the breeze.
Now entering Collier Seminole State Park, leaving civilization behind, and now the adventure begins. The park entrance isn't too far away. Look out for the fun sightings. We're going to let you know all the things you're going to discover along the way. Here's the Gators Crossroad Restaurant, a a motorcycle destination which we need to check out. The actual entrance to the state park is just past the gas station at the intersection. Just off 41 and San Marco Road, which is another way to get to Marco Island and another town called Goodland. We've been there. It's a pretty cool place.
The road is great, it's just perfect. No potholes, it's smooth, speed limit is good, making it comfortable for the passenger. And that's me. I love that we are surrounded by greenery and this ever-changing vegetation. Before, there were tall cypress trees and palm trees, and now they're thinning out to reveal the marshlands and the waterways. Approaching the 10,000 Island National Wildlife Refuge. Here's the entrance. What can you do here? As you can see, there's lots of cycling, fishing, and all kinds of activities.
And before we know it, we're at the Port of the Islands, which is a vacation destination. You can have boat tours, island charters, and manatee sightseeing, and there's Anglers Cove Restaurant and Bar. You could come boating, or even come with your friends and do a motorcycle ride together.
Look at the clouds! For me, I always enjoy a cloud formation. These clouds here are gorgeous! So far, we're really enjoying the ride. It's really amazing out here. Just chilled out, relaxing, and we are one with nature. Watch out for crazies out there. This guy in this blue car was passing another vehicle and came straight at us. Anyway, let's get back into being zen. Here comes the real Florida. Here you'll find the famous airboat tours. You can enjoy this at the Everglades National Park Visitor Center. Another thing that we plan on doing.
At this intersection, if you go left, you go to the farmlands of Ochopee, and to the right, you go to Everglades City, a little town that sits right inside the Everglades of Florida. Population about 400, and adjacent to that is Chokoloski town, which is about 1,100 people.
We love the Everglades City. It's quaint and laid back. We love to come down here to chill out. You feel like you have stepped back in time.
We're entering Big Cypress National Preserve. Strange name. I don't see any big cypress trees. All I see are clouds.
Yes, beautiful clouds. Look at the clouds! It's time for a break. At the Nathaniel P. Reid Visitor Center, you will find information and bathrooms. But we missed that and ended up here at the preserve headquarters, which was great because there was a map and we could see how far we had come on the bike.
Somewhere right here, preserve headquarters. That's where we are right there.
We've come all the way.
All the way from
Can't even
somewhere
see
here.
it. Not on the map. 1,000 islands is down here. I saw a sign for it.
10,000 islands.
Oh, that's what you see when you're at Everglades City. Look. 1,000 islands.
10,000 islands.
Oh, 10.
10.
10. The battery's ending. So what are we doing here?
Stopping.
What for?
Stretch.
Stretch your legs.
Because one of us needed. Oops, sorry.
Yeah, we needed to stretch for sure. So we came to stretch. There's a highway. Look at the clouds.
don't miss this. We found out later what we rode past was the smallest post office in the U.S. right here in Ochopee, Florida. I rode out another weekend to check it out and took some pictures. If you're interested, you can pause and read the story right here.
Here are some fun facts about Ochopee. Although small, it's part of the Naples-Marco Island statistical area. Ochopee is a Seminole word for farm, and Ochopee started off as a family-owned tomato farm, 240 acres. Is it tomato or is it tomato?
Depends on what country you're in.
So, tomato?
Yes.
Tomato.
Tomato.
All right.
Maters.
Mater farm.
It's a mater farm.
All right, that's what it is. Mater farm. We continue on, and just a few feet away is this fabulous destination, the Trail Lakes Campground. Also, the Skunk Ape Research Center.
Now, a skunk ape, for those who don't know, goes by some other names too. He's also called Sasquatch, also called Bigfoot, but his friends just call him Harry. Some of you will get that, some won't.
I didn't. They have nice camping grounds here, very tropical, and the hats have a thatch roof, also known as makuti. And check out these banana trees. You'd think we were in the middle of Africa, but we are not. We are in the middle of the Everglades. That's just some fun.
True. Inside the store is a gift shop with all things Everglades. We got some drinks, and we were entertained by the cashier, who had a whole lot of stories to tell, mostly about looking for skunk apes. It was very entertaining. But by this time, we were famished. We were hangry.
Angry.
So we rode back to Everglades City, which was our original idea for lunch that day.
See a little place. Looks like you can rent bikes here. All right. That looks like a cute little place. Look at that. Oh, that's all we need, shade. Right? What do we need? Shade. Shade. And
Yes.
cool. And food.
And food.
I like the colors in here. It's beautiful. Welcome, please. Order inside. Alrighty. See there. Right in the restaurant. We found this cute restaurant sitting on the banks of the water. That must be the Everglades water. I don't know what the water body is called, but yeah, the Everglades water. They seem to have activities here. You can see all these bikes. Are they scooters? Scooters. Anyway, this place is called the Camellia Street Grill. Very nice. We got great seats sitting outside. I got the catfish and fries.
And I got a cheeseburger and fries.
This place was divine. Just a nice, chilled out place. A fantastic place to spend the afternoon. So relaxing, especially after a long bike ride. The food is the best. I had not had catfish since we moved from Oklahoma over a year ago.
And what I can say is that the food was good. It's always nice to sit by the water and hang out and relax. And any day you get to ride your motorcycle is a good day.
And that's it. That's our motorcycle trip into the Everglades. Hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to go out in your own town, your own city, and your own country. Remember, wherever you look, you will find your paradise. Adventure awaits.
Ciao.
Kwaheri.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Hasta la vista.
Bye bye.
Tuonane Roshio.
See ya!